Greetings. My name is Sunil. I run and manage the company called Exterior Clean Melbourne. I know you've probably had a look at the ad, and I want to share this video. This video is really more to give you a bigger picture of who we are and what we're trying to create. So I call it spirit and vision, if you want to put it in that way. So being a service-based business, we are obsessed with creating excellent customer service every day, every job, and that is the focus of myself and the team that work with us. And it's very, very important that if you come on board with us, that you're interested in helping to deliver that experience. And your roles are very important because you're on site, you're building rapport with the customer, you're the ones responsible for setting up the site safely. You're also responsible for the results and the delivery of the work, and always doing what you say or what we've quoted to do, but also doing a little bit extra, because that little bit extra always sweetens a deal with customers. So that's who we are. That's how we work, and your role in that is critical in the customer experience. So I want people to actually, I want customers to actually go, wow, these guys were really good. They were courteous, they turned up on time, they did a brilliant job. I want to do business with them again. That is 100% what I want customers to experience with us. So you'll see that in the reviews. If you look on the link, you'll see we've got almost 250 reviews. And people don't leave reviews that often, as you probably know these days. It's quite hard to get to that point. Let's talk about values, because values are really important. Values are the things that we feel, but we don't always talk about them. So obviously we at Exterior Clean Melbourne, we've got a very strong focus on service, as I've just mentioned to you. And caring. Caring meaning we care about each other as a team. We support each other. We help each other learn. If there's a gap or an area where somebody needs support, well, we all pitch in and support what is required there, whether it's the back office or me as the director, or your fellow colleagues who are working alongside you. So, learning and developing is very important to us. Yeah. And also the spirit of giving freely without the expectation to receive. It's very important. So you might do a little bit extra on the site just because it's going to be meaningful for that customer, or it's going to help them in some way. But you also give freely through your interest and your attention, which is very, very important. When you give freely, you will always receive. So the focus is on the giving, and the receiving happens naturally. So I hope that gives you a bit of a sense of spirit of who we are as a company, and also a bit of a vision of what we're trying to create. And as a team member, it's my responsibility to look after you, make sure you've got the training, make sure you know how to use the equipment, make sure you have a safe environment, and also safe equipment to use. And also that you have time off at Christmas. We have a mandatory holiday at Christmas, so you can spend time with your family or friends and rest as well, which is very important. The team gets together multiple times in a year and to have food and drink together. And just day to day, we have this culture of looking after our people in the same way that we do with our customers. So I hope if you want to join a really high quality team, and this kind of spirit and vision inspires you, please apply. We'd love to receive your application. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.